Hi, this is the Focus Spender, and today I'm going to be talking to you about how to invest in real estate and earn passive income using the online platform Streetwise. But first, if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. My channel is all about getting out of debt, staying out of debt, organizing your finances, and increasing your net worth. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, you can find me at Focus Spender on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now let's get started. So I'm sure you've heard that the best way to invest your money is with real estate. And if you live in a city like I do in New York City, then you know that real estate is extremely expensive. The median home price in New York City is $671,000. And if you want to live someplace cool like Brooklyn, it's actually closer to $800,000. So it can feel like an unattainable goal where you're struggling to save enough for a down payment that's high enough that you're going to have a manageable monthly mortgage, or maybe you want to invest in rental income, but you actually don't want the hassle of managing tenants. So what are you going to do? Well, you can either move to a cheaper, less cool city, or you can hire a property manager that will deal with the tenants. Or you can invest in a real estate investment trust, or REIT. So a real estate investment trust is a company that owns and typically operates income-producing real estate. So that could be an office complex, a shopping center, an apartment building, like a large apartment building, a hospital, or anything like that that has a lot of tenants, that costs a lot of money, and produces a lot of income on a monthly basis. Investing in REITs allows you to become a partial owner and allows you to earn passive income in the form of dividends, because you're purchasing shares in the company and the company will then pay you out, monthly, quarterly, annual dividends. Now, there are different types of REITs. The one I'm going to be talking to you today about is a public REIT. With many public REITs, you have to be an accredited investor, meaning you have to earn at least $200,000 a year if you're single and $300,000 a year combined if you are married, and have a net worth of $1 million. But if you are a non-accredited investor, there are options for you. And the option that I'm going to talk to you today about is a company called Streetwise. And Streetwise is actually the sponsor of today's video. Now, Streetwise is a California-based company that has been around since 2017. Even though they are a relatively new company, they do have a good track record and have been able to pay out 10% annual dividends. Now, I do want to say that past performance is not indicative of future performance. I did look them up on the Better Business Bureau, and they do have an A+ rating. They have been able to raise $28 million in funds from investors and have invested $5 million of their own money into the REIT, so they do have a vested interest along with their shareholders. So the company specifically has 2 office parks that they are currently managing. So they purchased the property, they're managing, and they're collecting their rents from their tenants. And one is the office park that holds the headquarters of Panera Bread and New Balance. So they really are focused on companies that are highly stable. And if you want to learn more about their offerings, be sure to read their offering circular, which I've linked below in the description box. The form of passive income that you can earn in this investment, like I said, is in the form of dividends. So if you own 100 shares and your investment is $1,000, your annual dividends for that first year would be $100. You do have an option of either taking the payout or reinvesting that money into your account, which will allow you to have more shares so that when they pay out more dividends, you will have a higher dividend payout. And right now what you're seeing is their hypothetical returns on a $10,000 investment that was purchased in 2017 and what it would look like in the year 2019 at the end of Q2, which is June 30th, 2019. And you can see here there would have been significant growth in an investment of $10,000. Now, to invest in their REIT, you can create an online account on their website, and the minimum investment is $1,000. So it's not like purchasing stocks where the stocks are $10 a share and you can just purchase 1 share. Your minimum investment is $1,000. And at the time of this taping, their shares are currently going for $10.11. So if you invest a flat $1,000, you're going to get 98 and some change shares, or you can purchase outright 100 shares and pay a little over $1,000. And once you do sign up, it does take about 3 to 4 weeks for your account to be set up. And I'm going to leave a link below to their new investor timeline so you can see exactly what happens during that time frame. There are fees to investing in REITs. They have 2 major fees. So they have a 3% upfront fee when you sign up, and they have a 2% annual management fee. So I did do my research to see like how do they compare with other companies, and a lot of other companies have transaction fees. So they are actually a lot more competitive than other companies that are offering REITs. I want to make sure that you understand that this is not like investing in the stock market and you cannot just sell it on the open market. They do have a waiting period of 12 months before you can start to liquidate your assets, so your initial investment, and at that point they have quarterly redemption periods, and I'll leave a link below that shows exactly what those guidelines are. Actually, it's in their offering circular to be specific. Overall, I think investing in a REIT is a great way to diversify your investment portfolio, and I think that Streetwise is definitely an option that you should consider. But make sure you do your research and understand what a REIT is and understand the risk involved and other companies that might be out there that are open to non-accredited investors. If you want to see my current investment strategy, please be sure to click on the video that is popping up on your screen right now, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.